Hey people, come with me today as we make some fillet soup. Yeah, this is fillet. It's skinless, boneless fillet, wild cut. Yeah, wild cut is very, very important. It means raised by itself, organic. So the last time I made a video, I showed you how I made it differently. So this is also another way of making it. So let's go. Oil, just enough. Yeah, I'll put the onions, like I always tell you. I don't wait when it's so boiled for it to spark on me. I put garlic. I put the fish. Add a little bit of water. And then let it to boil a few minutes. Now it's ready to be served. See? I always don't put like stuff like flour and crabs in soup to make it thick. I don't know why I don't like it, and I've never even like fallen in love with it. So I don't. Just make my soup lightly like this because that's how I want it. Thank you for watching. See you when I put it on the plate.